Hello, this is Wes Royon, and today we're going to be making an income statement using Microsoft Copilot and using transactions in Excel. So you want to start off by navigating to Copilot, and then you can pull up the lab instructions right beside it. And start by selecting a new chat, and then you will, all this is saying is listing some tools that you can use to do this lab, some keywords, and asking the question of how do you prepare the income statement when you're just given transactions. And you'll start by uploading the lab data. And the easiest thing to do is just come in here and copy and paste the prompts directly from the instructions. You just need to make sure that Copilot understands all the columns and their meanings so that the calculations after this make sense. And it has the account name and amount listed differently, so that's good. And then we'll go right into performing the analysis. Just copy and paste prompt 3 and throw it right in to Copilot. So usually it will just give you a little summary of all your transactions, but this time it displayed all 92 transactions, and it'll be a little bit different every time. And now we're going to ask it to summarize that data. It's going to give you the totals, and it's also going to calculate gross profit and net income. And all these insights and other information it gives you at the end will be helpful in answering the multiple choice questions at the end in the open response. You're going to ask it to explain it a little bit more with prompt 5. It's just going over the items that will appear in the income statement. And now you're going to ask it for your first visual, which is a bar chart summarizing the totals of revenue, cost of goods sold, and operating expenses. You're going to copy and paste this bar chart into the lab when you submit your answers. And now we're going to ask it to take all the information that's summarized and everything that's been given and create the income statement. You're going to calculate gross profit, and then it's going to list all your expenses and give your net income. And now with prompt 8, we're going to basically just ask it for a summary of everything that you've asked Copilot, just to put it in one place. And the lab also asks for these to be copy and pasted in as your final answers. So this, you just get a log of the chat right in front of you, and you can remember everything that you asked it. Like I said, you can copy and paste everything right onto here, and then go through and use all this extra information it gave you to answer the multiple choice questions and the 2 open-ended questions at the end. Thank you.